In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Add to Cart button on Shopify. We'll walk through a simple method that doesn't require any coding. Instead of editing theme files, we'll adjust the wording in your theme's language settings so the Add to Cart button either shows different text or appears blank altogether. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and heading to your main dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your orders, products, and overall store information. From the left-hand menu, look for the section labeled Online Store and click on it. This is where all of your themes and storefront settings live. On the Online Store page, you'll see your current theme at the top. Next to the Customize or Edit option for that theme, there will be a button or icon with 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu of additional theme options. From this menu, choose Edit Default Theme Content. This takes you into the language editor for your theme. Instead of changing code, you're simply changing the text that appears in different areas of your store. Once the language editor is open, look towards the top of the page for the search icon. Click that search icon to reveal the search bar. In this search bar, type the phrase Add to Cart. This will filter all the text fields in your theme and show you only the ones related to your Add to Cart button. You should now see a section labeled something like Product, Products, and under that, a field with the current Add to Cart button text. Click into that field. If you want to completely remove the button label so that it appears blank, simply delete the text in that box and leave it empty. If you prefer to change the wording instead of removing it, you can type in any alternative text, such as contact us to order or request a quote. When you're happy with your changes, go to the top or bottom of the page and click the Save button. This is important because your new text will not appear on your live store until you save. After saving, visit one of your product pages on the storefront to confirm how the button looks. If the field was left empty, the button text will no longer display. If you